The Czinger 21C 2026 feels like the kind of car that shows up and immediately resets expectations, even in a world already stacked with outrageous hypercars. This isn't just an update or a refresh. It's more like the next, evolution of a philosophy that was already way ahead of the curve. Built in the USA with a mindset rooted in cutting-edge tech, extreme performance, and no fear of doing things differently, the 2026 Czinger 21C continues to prove that the future of hypercars doesn't have to follow old-school rules. It's bold, aggressive, and unapologetically forward-thinking. The type of machine that makes even seasoned car people stop scrolling and lean in a little closer. From the moment you lay eyes on the Czinger 21C 2026, it's obvious this thing means business. The design is still wild and aerodynamic, but everything feels tighter, sharper, and more intentional. The bodywork looks like it was carved by airflow itself, with deep channels, aggressive vents, and sculpted surfaces that aren't just there for looks. Every line serves a purpose, whether it's cooling, downforce, or slicing through the air at insane speeds. It doesn't try to be pretty in a traditional sense. It's functional art, and that's what makes it so damn cool. This is a car that looks fast standing still, like it's itching to break free. What really separates the Czinger 21C 2026 from the rest of the pack is how it's made. While most hypercars still rely heavily on traditional manufacturing methods, Czinger doubles down on advanced production, techniques like AI-driven design and additive manufacturing. A lot of the car's structural components are 3D, printed using ultra-strong alloys, optimized by algorithms to be as light and rigid as possible. This isn't tech for tech's sake. It directly impacts performance, handling, and efficiency. You're literally driving something shaped by artificial intelligence and brought to life by next-gen manufacturing, which honestly feels like the future pulled forward a few decades. The layout remains one of the most unique aspects of the 21C, and for 2026 it still hits just as hard. The tandem seating configuration puts the driver front and center, with the passenger sitting directly behind. It's a fighter jet vibe through and through, and once you're in it, everything else feels kind of old-fashioned. This setup narrows the car, improves balance, and gives the driver a laser-focused connection to the road. You're not offset. You're not sharing space, you're locked in and dialed up. It's intense in the best way possible, and it turns every drive into an event. Performance is where the Czinger 21C 2026 really flexes. The hybrid powertrain is still the heart of the beast, combining a brutally high-revving twin-turbo V8 with advanced electric motors. The result is over-the-top horsepower numbers that put it squarely in hypercar royalty territory, with instant torque and a power delivery that feels relentless. The V8 screams to the sky with an engine note that's raw and mechanical, not overly polished or fake. Add the electric assist and the car launches like it's been shot out of a cannon. It's the kind of acceleration that messes with your senses and makes your brain play catch-up. But straight-line speed is only part of the story. The 2026 Czinger 21C is built to dominate corners and track sessions, just as hard as it crushes 0 to 60 runs. The aero is next level, producing massive downforce without turning the car into a brick at speed. Adjustable aerodynamic elements allow the car to adapt to different driving scenarios. Whether you're ripping around a circuit or pushing hard on a fast back road, the grip is unreal, the stability is confidence-inspiring, and the car feels glued to the pavement even when you're deep into this might be a bad idea territory. Behind the wheel, the Czinger 21C 2026 is intense but surprisingly precise. This isn't a sloppy brute that relies on electronics to save you. It's sharp, responsive, and demands respect. The steering is quick and communicative, feeding you exactly what the front end is doing. The chassis feels rigid and planted, and the suspension is tuned to handle extreme forces without feeling unpredictable. It's the kind of car that rewards skill and focus, making you feel like a hero when you get it right and reminding you who's boss if you get sloppy inside the cabin. The 21C keeps things focused and purposeful. This isn't a luxury lounge, and it doesn't pretend to be. The materials are premium but lightweight, with carbon fiber dominating the space. Everything is laid out around the driver, with controls that feel race-inspired and intuitive. Digital displays provide the info you actually need without cluttering the experience. It feels exclusive, futuristic, and serious, like the car expects you to drive it the way it was meant to be driven. And honestly, That's refreshing in a world full of overcomplicated interiors. For 2026, the Czinger 21C also leans further into customization and exclusivity. Production numbers remain extremely limited, keeping the car rare and highly desirable. Buyers can tailor various aspects of the car to match their taste and driving style, making each example feel personal. This isn't mass production. It's boutique hypercar craftsmanship backed by insane technology. Owning one feels less like buying a car and more like commissioning a high-performance machine built specifically for you. There's also a bigger picture here that makes the Czinger 21C 2026 especially important. It represents a shift in how performance cars are imagined and built. Instead of relying on decades of heritage and tradition, Czinger focuses on innovation, efficiency, and smart engineering. It's a modern American take on the hypercar formula, and it shows that the US can compete at the absolute highest level without copying Europe's homework. That's a big deal, and it sends a message to the rest of the industry. Sustainability, believe it or not, is part of the conversation too. While the 21C is clearly about performance, the manufacturing process aims to reduce waste and improve efficiency compared to traditional methods. The hybrid system isn't just about speed. It also reflects a more responsible approach to extreme performance. It's not pretending to be eco-friendly in a mainstream sense, but it does show that even hypercars can evolve with the times. Instead of ignoring them, culturally, the Czinger 21C 2026 lands at the perfect moment. Car enthusiasts are hungry for something new, something real, something that doesn't feel like a warmed-over remix. This car delivers that freshness in spades. It's not chasing trends, it's setting them. The design, the tech, the manufacturing process, it all feels like a glimpse into where the automotive world is headed. And that makes it exciting, not just impressive. On the road and track, the feedback from those lucky enough to experience it points to a car that's brutal but brilliant. It's fast enough to scare you, but composed enough to make you want to push harder. It doesn't isolate you from the experience, it throws you right into it. Every input matters, every decision counts. And that's what makes driving it so addictive. This isn't a car you just own. It's a car you respect visually. The 2026 Czinger 21C is impossible to ignore. It doesn't blend in, and it doesn't care if everyone loves it. Some will call it too extreme, too futuristic, too wild. Others will see it as exactly what a modern hypercar should be. Either way, it sparks conversation, and that's part of its charm. It's a statement piece, rolling proof that innovation still has a place in a world full of safe bets. From an investment and collector standpoint. The Czinger 21C 2026 is already being talked about as a future icon. Limited production, groundbreaking technology, and a strong narrative are all things collectors chase. Add in the fact that this car represents a major shift toward AI-assisted design and advanced manufacturing, and it starts to feel like a milestone vehicle. Years down the line, people are going to point to the 21C and say, that's when things really changed. What really seals the deal is the attitude behind the car. Czinger isn't trying to please everyone, and that's exactly why the 21C works. It's confident, focused, and a little rebellious. It challenges traditional ideas about how cars should be built and what a hypercar should represent. And in doing so, it brings something genuinely new to the table. In a time when many cars feel increasingly digital, insulated, and disconnected, the Czinger 21C 2026 stands out as a reminder that driving can still be visceral and emotional. It's high-tech, no doubt, but it's also raw, loud, and intense. It demands attention and rewards commitment. If this is the direction hypercars are heading, then the future looks fast, wild, and seriously exciting. The Czinger 21C 2026 isn't just another entry in the hypercar arms race. It's a bold vision of what's possible when innovation, performance, and passion collide. It doesn't rely on nostalgia or legacy, it builds its own identity from the ground up. And for anyone who loves cars not just as transportation but as machines that stir the soul, that's something worth getting hyped about.